Show me the whole thing. Turn it. Wow.
That's awesome. Look over here.
What's in there? Can you tell me what's in there?
Little glasses.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, it's little green glasses. I know that.
And a little umbrella.
Oh, okay. And the
You know-
what's that thing?
Do you know
right
what
there?
that's supposed to be? It's
Yeah.
supposed to be sand. You know, like the beach.
The yellow sand.
Mm-hmm.
And what is this thing?
What?
That's
Oh,
in there.
that's a note in there for you.
Oh no.
You know who that's from?
What?
That's from Tiffany.
Tiffany.
Yeah.
So I open it.
You have to open it, yeah.
The bottom. Open the
The
bottom.
bottom?
Yeah.
I didn't have to open it in the bottom, but I would open it in the top.
Remember, it says to open in the bottom.
Gotta be very careful. We want to save it, right?
Yeah. I should look.
Show mommy. Show mommy. How you make room for that?
Wow.
Look at this.
That's cute.
Okay. Excuse me. And I can look at the note.
Yeah, of course you can.
Okay. And I can read it.
Sure.
Okay, so how do I open it?
I help you?
Yeah. Don't worry, I got it.
Can you read it to her?
It's a note in a bottle, right?
I don't know what is this on the top.
Says
Can-
Tiffany.
Can Grandma help you read it? Or do you want to show it to me too?
Yeah. Open it up.
Let's see. It says Tiffany's 5.5 birthday luau. Saturday, August 11th. That's Uncle Gary's birthday. Wow, you got invited to a party.
God, August 11th.
What do you think?
Are you going to say yes or no?
Yeah.
And it's a pool party.
Ooh, what?
Oh, you better be careful.
Titi Melissa has a pool, right? Remember? You went there before.
What's this thing?
That's supposed to be sand, but you can't open it.
Guess why?
Because then it's going to get all over the place.
Look. Cheers.
Because it's a party. We got to get you your Hawaiian stuff, right? And cool glasses.
Yeah, let me
Can I
turn
find Gary's downstairs?
the,
I know,
let
right?
me turn the green glasses really quick.
John,
Yeah.
if Tiffany was to see this video, what would you tell her?
Always the greatest to watch this movie.
Oh, you silly. What are you going to tell Tiffany? Are you going to go to the party?
Yes.
So go ahead, tell her.
Okay. Where,
Talk to Tiffany. then.
so, how do we do that actually?
What are you going to tell her? Happy what?
Happy birthday. Bye.
Yeah.
Say, can't wait to celebrate it with you.
Read. What was that again? I can hear you.
Say, I can't wait to celebrate it with you.
I can't wait to stop it here.
Say, see you soon.
See you.
Bye.
Bye. Was it? Is